All right, guys, we're going to talk about trisecting today. So trisect, the root would be tri. So tri means three. Tricycles have three wheels. Trisect is to divide it into three pieces. So we use 2 points, lines, or segments, or rays, and divide a segment or an angle into three congruent segments or angles. So if I told you that points B and C trisected line segment AD, we could say that line segment AB was congruent to BC is congruent to CD. Conversely, or if I flip that definition, if I said that AB was congruent to BC was congruent to CD, then I could say that B and C trisected line segment AD. All right, so let's check out an example. We'll look at an angle for the example. So again, with angles, it's really important that we know where the vertex of each of the angles that I'm talking about is. And here the vertex is always A. So the angle that I'm looking for depends on the letters that surround A. So our first part says angle BAE is 72 degrees. Here's angle BAE. That's 72. AC, so that's this guy. AC and AD, AC and AD, ray AC and ray AD trisect angle BAE. So they're going to divide it into three congruent pieces. That means I'm going to have to take 72 and divide it by 3. Well, y'all know what that is because 72 hours is 3 days. So that's 24 hours in a day. So that tells me that each of these little angles is 24 degrees. Now, is that what the question asked though? Did it say how big is one angle? I don't know. Let's see. Over here it says, what is angle BAD? BAD. So I'm looking for angle BAD. BAD goes like this. BAD. So that's a little bit different. So now when I'm looking for BAD, I'm actually looking for the total of those two angles. So angle BAD would be 24 plus 24 or 48 degrees.